Oh, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing the review for using dictionaries in Python and then also doing the quiz, so stay tuned for both of that. But let's get right into it. So in the last video you learned how to go through dictionaries, access keys and values. um, we learned how to use a key to get a value from a dictionary, how to check for existence of keys, how to remove a key value pair from a dictionary, iterate through keys and values in dictionaries. So we're going to combine everything that we've learned together. So I've provided a pack of tarot cards. Tarot, so you're going to be doing a 3-card spread of your past, present, and future. Create a empty dictionary called spread. So an empty dictionary of spread, and then the first card you draw is 13. So pop that assigned to the key values of 13 out of the tarot dictionary and assign it to its value to the past key of spread. Gotcha. Okay, so basically what we're doing is pop that value. Okay, so the past, and then we do tarot dot pop 13. Okay, and then the second card you draw is a 22, so pop that value. It's going to be the present, so do present, and we'll do tarot dot pop 22. And then the third one we're going to draw is a 10. So we'll do, it's going to be the future. So we'll do future, tarot.pop, and 10. Alright, now iterate through the items in the spread dictionaries. And for each key value pair, print out the string that says this. Okay. So the for key and value in spread.items, print out your plus key is value plus card. Your past is the death card. Past is, sorry. I missed the the here. There you go. Your past is the death card, your present is the fool card, and your future is the wheel of fortune card. Very nice. Okay, congratulations, you've learned about how to modify and use dictionaries. Hit the run method one more time to continue. Alright. So we gain some XP. And next we have, once it loads, we have a project. So this project I'm gonna actually save for the next video because it's gonna be a longer project. It's Scrabble. So we will learn how to make this project in the next video. Hope you'll enjoy it. But without further ado, I'm gonna end this one for now. Stay tuned for the next one, and then subscribe if you're new. Check out the top link in the description if you're looking for internships or jobs or any opportunities or need help with tech in general. But with that being said, have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one.